This video will walk you through how to make a custom homepage in Canvas that avoids using the visually unappealing modules view. First, you need to create a new page in your course and name it something like Homepage. Next, you will either create or find a banner image for the course. It should be something that represents the course and is simple and striking. If you want to create your images, Google Drawings can be a good option. That's what I've used here. You can also find fair use images by searching Unsplash as you're adding an image to a Canvas page. Either way, make sure you add alternative text to the image for those who use screen readers. Now you will save the page and click on the three dots to find the option to make this page your front page, which means it's the primary page in your course. Then you should go Home and click Choose Home Page and select Pages Front Page and save. You now have a new home page for your course instead of the modules view. Let's create a few more pages for your individual course units. We won't worry about putting any content in yet, but we'll just give them some titles. Now you can edit your home page and add images that will act as cards to direct students to course unit pages, similar to the course cards in your Canvas dashboard. It can help with spacing if you create a table for the images to fit in. Don't forget to add a descriptive header. Once you've added the images, you will now associate them with links within the course. Click on the little arrow by the link icon and choose Course Links. Now you'll find the page you wish to link to and select it. After you do this for all of the units, you can click on the cards to go in and edit each unit page. Instead of trying to fit everything from a unit onto one unit page, you can create more course links on the unit pages that direct your students to subpages and assignments. This will make the course more manageable to navigate. You now have a choice to leave the module menu item visible to students so that they can navigate that way also, or make it invisible by going to the Course Navigation tab under Settings and disabling modules. If you do the former, you will need to add the pages in modules. If you do the latter, make sure you give students a way to go back to the home page from the unit pages. They can always click Home, but it can be good to have a link on the page that returns to the home page. I would recommend that you view the new home page in Student View and on the Canvas smartphone app to make sure it shows up okay. Another useful tip is that if you change the name of a page that you link to somewhere in a course, you will need to edit the link to direct to the new page with the updated title. Otherwise, the link will go to an empty page.